When you begin to imagine the concept of mini masterpieces, organic wood sculptures for eco-chic homes, you open a door into a world where passion, artistry, sustainability, and profitability are woven together into one seamless journey, showing how something as simple and natural as wood can be elevated into a form of expression that not only transforms living spaces, but also sparks a deeper connection to nature and the values of conscious living. These organic wood sculptures, often crafted from fallen branches, reclaimed timber, or overlooked fragments of wood, embody the essence of turning what the world sees as ordinary into something extraordinary, sculptural decor that radiates warmth, tells a story, and blends perfectly with modern eco-chic interiors. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome our channel. Today we will show you a collection of mini masterpieces of organic wood sculptures ideas for eco-chic homes that sell. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Every curve, knot, and grain within a piece of wood becomes an opportunity for the crafter to reveal beauty hidden in plain sight, shaping it into small treasures that invite admiration and bring a touch of authenticity into contemporary homes. Unlike mass-produced decor, which often lacks soul and originality, organic wooden sculptures carry the fingerprint of the maker, the story of the material, and the timeless elegance of simplicity reimagined. Buyers today, particularly those who embrace sustainable lifestyles, are increasingly drawn to items that reflect individuality and ethical choices, making these sculptures not only captivating works of art, but also desirable and sellable creations in today's market. The process of crafting them requires no factory, no large investment, and no advanced skill to begin with, just imagination, a respect for the material, and a willingness to let creativity lead the way. This is why organic wood sculptures are a gateway for anyone eager to merge creativity with entrepreneurship, because they show how easily passion can evolve into profit when it meets the demand for meaningful, sustainable design. At the heart of this journey is the realization that modern homes are seeking more than just decoration. They crave decor with purpose, conversation pieces that stand out in their authenticity, and accents that speak louder than words by embodying values of environmental responsibility and artistry. Imagine a small wooden sculpture, perhaps a twisted branch carefully shaped and polished into a centerpiece, or a series of delicate wood slice carvings displayed as abstract art on a shelf. These mini masterpieces may be modest in size, but they hold tremendous power to transform a space, add warmth to minimalist interiors, or bring balance to bold designs by grounding them in nature's raw elegance. For the maker, this process becomes more than craft. It is meditation, storytelling, and entrepreneurship all at once, where each new sculpture not only builds skills, but also creates an inventory of art pieces that connect emotionally with buyers. The value lies not only in the finished product, but in the experience of crafting, which turns time spent with wood into moments of inspiration and fulfillment. Each sculpture carries an aura of uniqueness, reminding us that no two pieces of wood are ever the same, and no two creations can ever truly be replicated. This one-of-a-kind quality is what makes them so attractive to today's market, because in an age of sameness, consumers yearn for originality, and they are willing to invest in decor that feels personal, handmade, and eco-friendly. Sustainability plays an equally powerful role in this narrative, since these sculptures often emerge from wood that would otherwise be discarded, scraps from carpentry shops, branches collected from the forest floor, or even remnants of larger furniture projects. By reclaiming and reimagining these forgotten materials, crafters contribute to a cycle of conscious creativity, proving that beauty does not always need to come from new resources, but can thrive in what already exists around us. This practice not only reduces waste, but also aligns perfectly with the growing eco-chic movement, where consumers actively seek products that reflect their environmental values without compromising on style. The artistry lies in seeing beyond what the material is and envisioning what it could be, and in doing so, transforming simple wood into stunning decor that elevates homes while supporting a sustainable future. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Yet, beyond the aesthetic and ethical values, lies the entrepreneurial opportunity that makes this craft so empowering. In marketplaces flooded with fast furniture and generic decor, handcrafted wooden sculptures stand out as premium, story-driven treasures, often commanding higher prices because of their uniqueness, artistry, and sustainability. Each sculpture, no matter how small, becomes not just a piece of decor but a collectible, something buyers want to showcase and cherish because it reflects individuality and conscious choice. For the maker, this means every project, whether it's a simple wood slice carving, a polished branch centerpiece, or a modern abstract design, can open doors to profit, whether sold online, at local markets, or through boutique stores that value artisanal decor. This is where passion truly meets profit, proving that what begins as a hobby in the corner of your workshop can evolve into a thriving business when approached with imagination and intention. The demand for organic wooden sculptures also continues to grow as homeowners, interior designers, and gift buyers all seek pieces that stand out for their originality and authenticity. Sculptures make perfect gifts because they carry meaning, they serve as timeless accents in homes, and they reflect a commitment to sustainable living. For interior designers, these pieces provide balance to modern spaces, offering natural warmth and grounding amidst sleek, contemporary lines. For entrepreneurs, this represents not just a trend, but a long-term opportunity, as sustainability is no longer a passing movement, but a lasting expectation in consumer choices. This means every crafter who steps into the world of organic wooden sculptures is not just making art, but also positioning themselves in a profitable, expanding market. At the same time, the personal fulfillment of crafting these mini masterpieces should not be underestimated. The act of creating transforms the maker, encouraging mindfulness, patience, and a deeper appreciation of nature's subtle details. Each knot in the wood teaches resilience, each grain invites creativity, and each curve inspires design choices that push the boundaries of imagination. This is why woodworking, even in the smallest forms, is more than a craft. It becomes a way of living, a process of turning raw, overlooked resources into art that elevates both the maker and the buyer. Through organic sculptures, crafters tell stories of sustainability, resilience, and beauty, connecting people not only with objects but with meaning. Ultimately, the world of mini masterpieces, organic wood sculptures for eco-chic homes, is an invitation, a call to see opportunity where others see waste, to discover beauty where others see only raw material, and to embrace a lifestyle where creativity fuels profit and sustainability fuels purpose. By engaging in this craft, makers enter into a cycle where imagination leads to income, art leads to impact, and wood, once forgotten, becomes a vessel for timeless beauty. Each sculpture is more than decor. It is a statement, a reminder that passion and sustainability can walk hand in hand, and that style does not need to sacrifice conscience. For modern homes, these sculptures embody the perfect balance between rustic charm and contemporary chic, and for crafters, they represent the boundless potential of turning small acts of creativity into lasting success. With every piece, you prove that the future of decor belongs not to mass production, but to authenticity, artistry, and sustainability. And that anyone with imagination and determination can turn the smallest fragments of wood into treasures that inspire, elevate, and sell. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini masterpieces of organic wood sculptures, ideas for eco-chic homes that sell. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.